Doing an herbal facial steam is a wonderful natural beauty ritual for deep pore cleansing, softening, and toning the skin on the face. You should put lotion on your face before you do this in order to protect it from the heat. Some suggested herbs to use are chamomile, roses, lavender, rosemary, slippery elm bark, mint, elder blossoms, and raspberry leaf. Of course, you can use whichever herbs you like. Essential oils can also be used in your facial steam for their benefits and aromatherapy. To prepare, begin with about 2 quarts of water in a large pot, add a few handfuls of herbs, bring to a simmer, stirring occasionally. Allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. Once it is done simmering, remove the pan from the heat. Take a towel and use it to cover your entire head and the pot of steaming herbal infused water. Steam away for 10 to 15 minutes, enjoying the aromas and benefits your skin is receiving. Follow up your facial steam with a splash of cold water to close your pores. I hope you enjoy this relaxing and beautifying ritual. It is such a great way to take tender care of your lovely face. Thanks for watching.